Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. In this video we will see how to use notification manager in Android. So for example, I have this running app and I'm going to show you how this will work, and then we are going to see how we can write the code. So for example, this is my app which is running, and this has only one button which says notify me, and when I click this button it's going to give me a notification something like this, and when I drag this down I can see this notification which has some content title, notification content, and some extra features which we are going to see. So this kind of notification, how we can initiate these kind of notification in Android, let's see. So first of all, I have this blank project, and as you may have guessed, we are going to use a button here, and I'm going to change the button text as notify me. Okay, and the button ID I'm going to leave it as default, which is button. And now I'm going to go to my main activity.java file. So in here I'm going to declare a button variable, so button btn for example, and I will give alt enter to include the button imports. And now I will take this button variable and I'm going to cast it inside my onCreate method. So button is equal to now after casting this button, we can use this button object and we can call set on click method on it. So button dot set on click listener, and inside this set on click listener we are going to call new on click listener. And inside this on click method, first of all I'm going to create an object of intent. So intent object name is equal to new. Now I'm going to create a object of pending intent here, and I'm going to tell you what pending intent is in a second, but let me create this object. Pending intent is equal to, and then take this pending intent and then call get activity, and the first argument which it takes is the activity itself. So main activity here dot this, and the second argument is 0, third argument is your intent, and the fourth argument is 0. Okay, now what this pending intent does. So this pending intent is a token that you can give to another application, for example notification manager, which we are going to use in our case, and this will allow this application to use the permission of your application to execute a predefined piece of code. Okay, so that's why we use pending intent here. Now I'm going to create my notification object, so notification, and I'm going to include my import, and I will name it as noti for example, is equal to new notification dot builder, and this builder will take the context. So I'm going to just copy this main activity dot this, and then you can add some attribute to this object. For example dot set ticker, and this is your ticker name, for example ticker title. Okay, and then you can set some more properties like set content title and set content text. So for example set content title for example, and this is my content title, and then I'm going to add dot set content text, and this is the text for your content. Okay, so for example the content text, and I can add as many text as I want, something like this, and this will be the text which will appear here. So when I drag this, and this is my notification content. Okay. So after this, we want to add a icon, for example. So we can add a icon like this, dot set small icon, and this icon you can take it from your drawable. So you can go to your res folder, and in here you have your drawable folder, and in here you have some default pictures. If you want, you can add your own custom picture for your notification, but for now I'm using the default pictures. Okay, so you can drag and drop your picture here and use it if you want, but for now the default picture will be okay. So in here r dot drawable dot ic launcher. Okay, this is my default picture name, and then at the last you can add the content. So dot set content, and we will pass our p intent here, and then we will call get notification on this notification object. Okay, and here I think it should be set content intent, because we are passing intent here, right? So just change it to set content intent, and pass your pending intent here. And in the next line we can add some flags to our notifications. So for example, noti dot flags is equal to notification dot, these are all the flags which we can add here, but the flag we want is this flag auto cancel. Okay, so this flag, whenever we click the notification, it will cancel our notification. Okay, now in the next line we will declare a notification manager object. So just write notification manager. I'm going to name it as nm is equal to, and we are going to cast notification manager, and then we will get services. So get system service, and in here we want to call notification service. Okay, and then we are going to take our notification manager, and then we will call a notify method on it. So just take your notification manager object dot notify, and first argument will be 0, and second argument is your notification object, which is noti in our case. Okay, so this will be the code to generate notification on button click. So let's run our program and let's see what happens. So I'm going to run my program. So now my program is running. So when I click this notify me button, it's going to give me the second notification. First notification is from the earlier app. So when I drag this, I can see this content title, which is this one, and then the content text, which I have entered some random text here. And when I click this notification is gone. Okay, now in order to add some more features to your notifications, something like these icons and some more content or some more actions, what we need to do is, let's go to our code here, and in here in your code, after this set small icon, you can call some more method like dot add action, and first argument it takes is the icon if you want to give any. So I'm going to give the default icon. Second argument is the text, for example action 1, and the third argument is your pending content object, so this one. Okay, in the same way you can add as many actions as you want. Just paste it below this and add any number of arguments like this. Now when I run the program, so my program is running now. So when I click this notify me button, I can see the notify icon, and in here I can see action 1 and action 2 here. Okay, So in this way, you can use notification with your Android app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye.